Alright guys, transferring favorites from one planner to another is super easy. Just click C14, I believe, or 16, the first white cell on your old planner tab, and you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. That's the part that takes the longest. Hold down your Shift key and select all of those cells at once. And you're going to right click, or you can use Control C, but you can just copy all of that stuff. You hop over to your new planner and you just click on C16, so that very first editable cell, and right click paste or Control Command V. And it's going to paste all of those links and everything that you had saved. It may take a minute, but it will be there. Okay, so on Students, on your Students tab, you'll see this is the old Students tab. So highlight all of the white boxes, including the photos, and right click copy. And then you're going to hop over to your new Students tab, and here's where it's different. You're going to click the first white box, not that first orange box where the photos go, and you can just paste right over Dino, and you just click OK, and then bada bing bada boom, you have all of your students in one place. Okay, let's talk about how to transfer your classes in case you want to keep tracking certain students, keep tracking their rewards and previous notes. So this is the old classes tab on the former version. What I would do is I would probably go in and I would use the filter function. So I would first, I want to click this gray button right here, this gray box, and then click filter. It's going to tell me, like, are you sure you want to do it? Yes, it's okay. And then I might filter by nickname, and I could go in and I could clear all the students and then just go in and put a check mark by the ones that I want to track, okay? And then once I've done that, I can hit OK, and it'll try to warn me, but it'll be okay. So then I can use this filter. So you notice now it's only showing me the students that I selected. So I would go in and actually just click on the very first row. I would scroll all the way down, hold my Shift key down, and Control C to copy. So I'm going to want to grab this nickname right here, and I could go over to the new planner, and I would just paste this all those nicknames right there. And then I could go in and fill in whatever I wanted to save or wanted to track. But don't forget that the Classrooms tab can bog your planner down a lot. So I recommend, if you just want to use it to track those previous rewards, then maybe just copy in those previous rewards. So I would put that under selected reward, okay? And then I could maybe put what notes did I write about that student. So this is how it's different with this Classes tab from the old one to the new one, because the columns are in different positions now. So it's not just a quick copy and paste. So I'm grabbing my lesson notes, which are non-existent for those kiddos, and I would just paste it right here. Okay, let's pretend that they're there. So that's how to transfer from the old Classes tab to the new Classes tab. And once again, I just used this filter function right here. It's looks like a little filter icon. And guys, this function is super useful when you're searching your Classes tab or anything that has a lot of data on it. So you just click that gray box and you just click filter. And it's going to tell you, like, are you sure you want to do that? Just as long as you don't edit any formulas, you'll be all right. And so you could filter by, maybe I don't want to see any of December. Maybe I want to see only, text contains maybe only November. Okay, so that's how that filter button works. It's very useful. Okay guys, I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.